Alright, YouTube. Man, I'm tired. Bent over. I'm just tired. It's a lot of work. But check it out. See how it's bubbling? It's bubbling up. And that's only just been a few minutes that I've been slathering it on. I've used everything. Look at this one. This is one. This is the one I started on. But this is the others. Look at that. Most of that's gone. Look at that. Man, this stuff ain't no joke. It works fast. So hopefully it'll get most of it off. And then I can go ahead and plastic dip them and just leave them sitting out for a while in the garage. That is, let them dry up and let them prepare themselves to, just cure. They need to cure, and that way the plastic dip will be nice and perfect, and I can put them back on. But I'm probably not gonna do that until after I get the new tires put on. I won't dip them until I get the new tires put back on. So they'll be riding, they'll be on the car, looking all ugly and shabby. But hey, just know I'm fixing it up, all right? Peace. Let's get started on these coilovers. All right, peace. What's up? Once again, it's on. Same day. Tires are still over there. Wheels are still over there, bubbling up. The paint is coming off. We'll spray that down in a little while. But right now, I'm preparing these the coilovers. I'm gonna take my shocks off. Well, these are lowering springs and the shocks, the struts right here. I just sprayed the bolts that I'm gonna be taking off with some WD-40. Sprayed all around it. So I'm gonna take those off, hopefully with ease. And I did the back side too down there, and see how it goes. This is my first time removing struts and preparing myself to install some coilovers. And then I'm gonna take this down. This LED lights that was over the wheels, I'm gonna take those down. I don't even think they're working anymore anyway. And I think at least one's working, I'll put that in the grill and make that shine up too. So let's get started. All right, YouTube, check it out. I got the pressure washer ready. We're about to spray off the aircraft paint remover. Maybe I should do it this way. Alright, so as you can see, it's removing it. So let me go ahead and get the rest of this off, and we'll check out the results later. Alright, YouTube, so like I said, safety first. I got as much as I could off. There's still some that can be taken off, but it's not a big deal. I can use some glue gun and wipe around what I need to wipe around. But now I gotta let them dry. So they're gonna dry for a day or so. And I said this will be like a different videos, but it's not gonna be. I'm just gonna make it a series. So it might be a 3-part series, might be a 4-part series. Who knows? I'm gonna pump out these videos. I'm still gonna upload them one at a time and just finish up. TV over there is acting crazy because of this weather. Thanks a lot, satellites. But anyway, let's go ahead and put these up. I'm laying them down like this so they can dry, and then we'll move on to the next task. Got a lot to do, so it's gonna take me a couple of days, maybe 3, 4, 5, maybe the whole week, but I'm gonna do it. All right, next up. Okay, so now the wheels are drying. I got to get started on the coilovers, and I don't actually have the correct, well, what I'm using is not really working that great, but I got a friend from the neighborhood coming over. He has an impact wrench as well. Hopefully everything that he has will work better and we can knock this, I can knock this out. Maybe he'll help me, maybe not, but it's cool. As long as I got the tools to do it, and I can just get them off and get the new stuff on. And then I can work on the LED lights after that. And then we'll finish up the wheels once they dry. And that might be tomorrow, maybe Monday, I don't know, but it's gonna be done this week. So be prepared for a couple of videos. Alright, so let's wait on Mr. Raul to get here and then we'll get back started. Man, alright, so check it out. Raul came by. He dropped off the Milwaukee. This sucker is so strong, it took these bolts off just that quick. Gone. Just that quick. All the bolts that I needed gone. So now all I gotta do is go up into the hood, take those bolts off up under the hood, and then this baby will come out and I can put the coilover on. All right, let's get started. I took the nuts off of here. I didn't show you the process yet. I'm gonna do the other side too, so I'll show you that process. I wanted to just get this done because this is crazy, man. So it's loose. It's loose now. Let's get some light on the subject. Boo, y'all. See if we take this baby out. Should be nice and ready to go. And I forgot to take that out when I unloosened it. So it's heavy. You know what I need? I need my jack. Jack it up. Go ahead and jack this baby up. So I can get that bolt out. Let's get this bolt out. Sorry guys, this is my first time. Turn my light off. My first time doing this. So this is a learning. I'm learning just like you are. Boom. That's out. Let it go. There's the strut. Hey, strutty boy. Hello, strutty boy. Loosen that. I'm telling you, this thing is heavy, guys. So you got to be careful. And there is the strut and lowering spring. And look, it's still good to go. So I might sell it. So let's get ready to put the new one in. Okay, I'll come get them. Alright, so we have the coilovers right here. Look at that right here real quick. That's a keychain. Sorry, that's a keychain. Kind of hard to film and use one hand. Let's just go over here real quick. Fix that up for you. So, yeah, keychain. I already seen it, so sorry. Very nice. It's a coilover. And it matches the coilover that I have, and it matches my car. The scheme that I have for it. So pretty neat. And I think it works. It does. It's the coilover keychain. It's cute. It's cute. Oh, little precious baby. Anyway, Raceland. Boom. We'll keep that stored away for right now, because we got work to do. Oh man, it's my first time doing anything like this, and I'm taking my time, so y'all bear with me. All right, let's get this sucker out the box. Try to get it installed. All right, guys. The next step is to remove this factory cover and put it on the new one. See if I can do it with one hand. Well, it's supposed to have it. It's kind of hard. I'll get it. We'll figure it out. So, hold on a second. Let me do some thinking. Alright, so guys, you live and you learn. What it is, I put it back up in there. I'm gonna tighten it back up so I can get the screw, the bolt off. Tighten it back up just a little bit. Now I can take the bolt off and then take that off, and I can use that. So it took a lot of work, so I'm breathing hard. Luckily, I do a little working out. Got a little muscle. So, oh, guys, this is hard work. Let me get back started.